afternoon, children. Welcome to online class session 25. Previous session, we discussed about monsoon and different seasons of India. Today, we are going to learn about distribution of rainfall, natural vegetation and its different types. Rainfall. Rain is a liquid water in a form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor. Rainfall in India is highly uneven over a period of time in a year. The rainfall in India is unevenly distributed. Some places it is very high and some places it is very low. The average annual rainfall of India is 118 centimeter. However, spatial distribution of rainfall in our country is highly uneven. About 11% area receives over 200 centimeter of annual rainfall. 21% area receives 125 to 200 centimeter rainfall. 37% area receives 75 to 125 centimeter rainfall. 24% area gets 35 to 75 centimeter rainfall and 7% area gets less than 35 centimeter. The west coast, Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh are the heavy rainfall areas which get more than 200 centimeter rainfall. The whole of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, western and southwestern part of Uttar Pradesh, western Madhya Pradesh, the entire Deccan Trap or Plateau region, east of Western Ghats, except for a narrow strip along Tamil Nadu coast, receive a low rainfall less than 100 centimeter. The rest of the area receives a rainfall ranging between 100 and 200 centimeter. So rainfall differ from place to place. For example, the Thar Desert receive less than 50 centimeter rainfall. So it is a dry region. Whereas Mawsynram in Meghalaya receive very heavy rainfall. Annual rainfall is 2500 millimeter in the year. So likewise, rainfall distribution is differ from place to place. Next, the natural vegetation of India. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community unaffected by man either directly or indirectly. It has its existence in certain natural environment. The natural vegetation includes all plant life forms such as trees, bushes, herbs and forbs, etc. that grow naturally in an area and have been left undisturbed by human for a long time. Climate, soil, landform characteristics are the important environmental controls of natural vegetation. On the basis of temperature, rainfall, topography and soil, natural vegetation of India can be divided into different types. They are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, mountain forest, littoral or swamp forest, alpine forest, riverine forest. First one, tropical evergreen forest. These forests are found in areas where annual rainfall is above 200 centimeter. The annual temperature is about more than 22 degrees Celsius and the average annual humidity exceeds 70% in this region. Western Ghats in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Andaman Nicobar Island, Assam, West Bengal, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Meghalaya states have this type of forest. The most important trees of evergreen forest are rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, cinchona, candies, palm, ironwood, and cedar. These have not been fully exploited due to lack of transport facilities, because the evergreen forests are always green. The trees in this forest are very tall and broad leaves. So these forests never dry. It is always green. The second one is tropical deciduous forest. These are found in areas with 100 to 200 centimeter annual rainfall. These are also called monsoon forest. The mean annual temperature of this region is about 27 degrees Celsius and the average annual relative humidity is 60 to 70%. The trees of these forests drop their leaves during the spring and early summer. Sub-Himalayan region from Punjab to Assam, Great Plain, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Central India, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. South India, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. These states are notable for tropical deciduous forest. Teak, sal are the most important trees. The other trees are sandalwood, rosewood, kusum, mahua, palas, kaldu, amla, paduk, bamboo and tendu are the other important trees. These trees are economically important. And these forests also provide fragrant oil, varnish, sandal oil and perfumes. So tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. These forests are found in annual rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter. Next forest, tropical dry forest or thorn forest. These are found in the areas with 50 to 100 centimeter rainfall. They represent a transitional type of forest. They are found in eastern Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, eastern Maharashtra, Telangana, west Karnataka and east Tamil Nadu. The important trees are mahou, banyan, amalthus, palas, haldu, kikar, bamboo, babul, kayar, etc. Desert and semi-desert vegetation also found in this forest. These forests are also called as tropical thorn forest. These are found in areas having annual rainfall less than 50 centimeter. They have low humidity and high temperature. These forests are found in northwest India, which include western Rajasthan, southwest Haryana, north Gujarat and southwest Punjab. They are also found in the very dry parts of the Deccan Plateau in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Babul, kikar and wild palms are common trees found here. So tropical dry forest found in the areas annual rainfall is 50 to 100 centimeter and desert vegetation is found annual rainfall less than 50 centimeter. Next one, the mountain forest. The mountain forests are also classified on the basis of altitude and amount of rainfall. Accordingly, two different types of forests found in the mountain. Eastern Himalayan forest, Western Himalayan forest. Eastern Himalayan forest. These are found on the slopes of mountain in the northeast states. These forests receive rainfall more than 200 cm. The vegetation is evergreen type. The altitude between 1200 to 2400 meter found in this type of forest. Sal, oak, laurel, amura, chestnut, cinnamon are the main trees found in 1200 to 2400 meter altitude. Oak, birch, silver, fir, pine, spruce and juniper are the major trees found from 2400 to 3600 meter height. So Eastern Himalayan forest located on the northeastern states of India. Here mostly the evergreen forests are found. Next, the Western Himalayan forest. The rainfall in this region is moderate. These forests are found in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Up to 900 meter altitude, semi-desert vegetation is found. It is known for bushes and small trees. In altitude from 900 to 1800 meter, Sir tree is the most common tree. The other important trees of this region are Sal, Seemal, Dak, Jamun and Jujube. The height is from 1800 to 3000 meter covered with semi-temperate coniferous forest. Chir, deodar, blue pine, poplar, birch, elder are the main trees of this region. So, mountain forests are divided into Eastern Himalayan forest and Western Himalayan forest. Next one, the alpine forest. These forests occurs all along the Himalayas with above 2400 meter altitude. These are purely having coniferous trees. Oak, silver, fir, pine and juniper are the main trees of these forests. The eastern part of Himalayas has large extents of these forests. So alpine forest height is 2400 meter. Next one, the tidal forest. These forests occurs around the deltas, estuaries and creeks prone to tidal influence and such as are also known as delta or swamp forest. These forests are found in the delta region, especially the Ganga delta, Brahmaputra delta. These delta have largest tidal forest. Then the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna rivers also known for tidal forest. These are also called as mangrove forest. Next important forest, coastal forest. These are littoral forests. Generally, coastal areas have these type of forest. Casuarina, palm and coconut are the dominant trees. Both the eastern and western coast of India have this type of forest. The coast of Kerala and Goa is known for coastal forest. Next, the riverine forest. These forests are found along the rivers of Khadar areas. These are known for tamarisk and tamarind trees. The rivers of Great Plains are the prominent for this type of natural vegetation. So these are the major type of forests found in India. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical dry forest, mountain forest, alpine forest, tidal forest, coastal forest and riverine forest. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children.